On top inside Edo today, we go do Ogbonge Colabo with religious group to fit take do check for this security matter. Obaseki na talk this one. Edo State Governor Obaseki don call for collabo between the government and churches and other religious organizations to dey checkmate criminal activities for the state and protect the people. Obaseki talk this one on Thursday for Government House when he received visit from the Christian leaders led by the Edo State Chairman of Christian Association of Nigeria, Bishop Oyenude Kure. The governor encouraged the leaders make dem form security committees spread across the security grid to work with the security structure wey dey ground to check yamayama activities, especially for this festive period.
I want to assure you that we have hit the ground running as a government. And no matter how difficult the challenges seem to be, particularly the consequences of the NSAS and the hoodlums that took over their activities, as a government, we are up to the task.
Oga Governor talk say by next week, the command and control center for the state go wake up and they go activate security cameras to dey check criminality for the states.
And we will be having a session with you, not a public session. We know that there is at least a church in every, we have what we call security grids. There's a church in every grid. We'll be calling on you to support the structure we're putting on ground, which will require a lot of information because nobody comes in the area you don't know. So that we can link that structure with the community policing arrangement we have, and then with the Obaseki backup response. As you know, we already have bought a tracker government, and we can do a lot with it. By next week, the Command and Control Center, the first of them, will come alive. We are activating street cameras.
Obaseki come out say he no increase the number of security patrol teams for the Benin-Auchi Road to check the yamayama activities of the area.
If you notice now on the Benin-Auchi Road, we have increased the number of patrol, and we're going to be doubling that in the next 2 weeks so that people traveling on that road can feel safe to travel. It will not totally eliminate crime, but at least we will continue to respond to crime.
Governor Obaseki talk say he dey up to the task of dealing with the security challenges of the state, and he dey work with Edo GIS on top security matter for the state, and he go get session with them on how to improve the security architecture.
We will reset Edo and we'll make sure that we begin to do things properly for our long-term survival. Yes, it will be met with challenges. We are not unaware of the challenges that we currently are confronting and the ones that we may still confront in the future. But once we have you, we have God, we have the people, we are not going to be perturbed at all. This security one is just one of those many challenges. But let me just tell you what we have done, what we're doing to date. We are working with GIS on mapping the security map of this state, particularly the Benin metropolitan area, up to Obaka, Oredo, towards Ovia Northeast.
Bishop Oyenude Kure, Chairman of the Christian Association of Nigeria, congratulate the governor on his victory and assure the governor say the church will continue to work with him.
We will, by the grace of God, continue to stand with you as you lead Edo State to high heights, greater heights. Edo people believe absolutely in your administration and your person. That's why they came out massively to vote for you. And the heads of churches in Edo State, we have come together under the umbrella body of the Christian body, which is CAN, Christian Association of Nigeria, Edo State, to formally congratulate you, Your Excellency, and to let you know that we are standing with you. And the church will continue to partner with you, Your Excellency, because of the grace and the good work you are doing in our land, Edo State.
Dis one na the ogbonge informate wey we carry come give una as Governor Godwin Obaseki dey find improve partnership with religious groups to strengthen security architecture. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na carry dis ogbonge informate come give una. My name na Innocent Eyikweme from Benin.